Once upon a time, in a forest far away, it was a very hot summer. The small ponds in the jungle had all dried up. A fox who lived in the forest was feeling extremely thirsty. She started looking here and there for water. After a while, she saw a well. When the fox went near the well and looked inside, she saw some water at the bottom. Just then, her foot slipped and she fell into the well. After falling into the well, she began to panic and started thinking, "How will I get out of here now?"